Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay, so the problem occurs whenever there is a file that some other program is using and you are trying to delete it or you are trying to open it in some other program. Okay, now suppose this is a file here. You can see this is a video file, and suppose I want to delete it here. I will click on delete. Now you can see the action cannot be completed because the file is open in mpc x64. Okay, now it is giving the program name. However, in most of the cases it won't give you the program name. It will directly say that the file is open in some other program. Okay, so how will you resolve this issue? So you need to press Windows R from the keyboard in order to open the run. Okay, now you need to type in resmon .exe and hit enter from the keyboard. Now it will open up a window like this, that is the resource monitor. Okay, now you will be on the overview. You need to click on the CPU here, which is right here. Okay, click on the CPU option. Now look at the options below and check the second option, that is associated handles. Okay, click on that. Now there is a search bar here. Now if there is a folder, you should type the name of the folder. Okay, if there is a file, then you should type the name of the file. Mostly it's file, and in few cases there is a folder. Okay, so this is a file, so you need to type in the name of the file along with the extension. Okay, so what is the extension? You can see item type mp4 file. So how will you write it? mic.mp4. okay, so I'm going to type it here, mic.mp4, and it will start searching for all the programs that are using this file, or if there is a folder, then the programs that are using the folder. Simply select it, right click on it and click on end process. Do you want to end process? Now you can see the program just went away from the taskbar. Okay, now if I go and delete the file, then it will delete easily. Okay, if I go here, now I will right click and I will click on delete, and you can see the file is gone. So this is how you can fix the action cannot be completed because the program is open in because the file is open in another program on Windows 10. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.